Good morning. So I have to charge my battery before we leave, but today is gonna be our first vlog ever. Yay! So it is beautiful outside. If you guys didn't know, it's actually my birthday weekend and we're supposed to like go to the beach today because it's really pretty. But yeah, so I figured I would take you guys along for the ride to see what the beaches are like in Japan. So I'll check back with you guys in a little bit. I'm actually gonna just put some quick makeup on. Now we are at the beach. Miss Alexia is playing with the bags and stuff. Eliasib and Ryan, they are already out there. It's like so relaxing. The beach is beautiful. The water is like super duper clear.